Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Today's video is really connect to my video from last week. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link below. It's basically sharing with you my weight loss journey that I started in March 1st. So what happened is starting March 1st, I started this weight loss program called Optavia, and I was 170 pounds. And today when I filmed this video, today is April 26th or 27th, I have a total loss 20 pounds, so less than 2 months. And I filmed the whole video, explain to you guys why I'm doing this, the reason behind that, and what type of result I have seen so far. And I didn't really show the food and what is the actual feeling looks like. And a lot of you really interesting, actually got some private message of you want to learn more about Optavia. So today's video is really unboxing that I'm going to show you when you first join the program, what box you're going to receive and what's in the box. We're going to go through individually, and then I'm going to share with you some of the food that I pre-record earlier, so you can see what does food look like a little bit, and hopefully that will help you to understand more about this company. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, as you can see, the box is massive, so I had to pull my camera back a little bit, and this is the box you will receive. Oh my goodness. And Optavia offer different type of program, depends your lifestyle, your health. So you pick what's right for you, and they're also going to help you with that. So currently, and the most popular one is the 5-in-1 program. So that's what I ordered, and I actually just put my family member on the 5-in-1 program. So this is their box. So it's perfect. I get to show you everything. First, you're gonna get itemized, so it tells you what's in the box. I think it's always important when you're ordering things like this, always double check because you don't want to miss anything. But you know, so right away, oh my god, I feel like I'm so hard to do this. Right away, you see a really massive book. Okay, so this is the Dr. A, Habit of Health, and he's the founder for Optavia, and the company has been over 39 years now. And I want to be honest with you, when I first got this, I was just like, who is going to read the book? This is like a textbook style, very, very heavy. But since I become a coach, I've been reading the book a little bit. I have to say I learned a lot. So sometimes we shouldn't be making prejudge too quickly. So that's what I'm saying. So this is the book, teach you step by step what you need to do to have a healthy life. And this book here, it's called Your Life Book. So what is this? The easier way to tell you is that this is your 1-year journal, basically. In this book, they provide a lot of story, tip, technique, and this is the part that you be honest with yourself. So what happened here is that we as humans, we don't like to be vulnerable. Honestly, even for your loved one, right? You don't share them with everything. Very rare you will 100% vulnerable, show somebody that everything true about you. We always want to hide something about that. And the challenge is that if you have this goal that you want to get better health, better life, but you're not being honest with yourself, that could be a roadblock for you. So this book right here, Life Book, is really that where you jot down your own thoughts, your roadblock, how you feel, being vulnerable to yourself, not to share with anybody. And then this will coach you. It takes 52 weeks to complete, I think 50 or 54, I forgot, but it's like 1 year, right? And then that will help you to face your fear, face your roadblock, and be true to yourself. And honestly, if you're not being true to yourself, how are you going to have a successful life or successful health? So I do found this is crucial. But again, it's massive. It's like a college textbook. But don't let this scare you because you're not meant to be finishing in 1 month, okay? Alright, So those are two heavy books. Then you're gonna get this smaller book right here, this Optavia guide. And this is very important. You have to, like for me, I studied this one first. It basically gives you an overview, glance what this is program about, what type of food that you should be eating. They even ask you to track your progress for the first week. I think this is the most important part because I remember the first week I was in New York and I actually wrote everything down. And then as I wrote, I went back to look at it, like, oh wow, I did all that. So this will keep you on track. I think it's very, very important. Gotta do that. Then after that, these are the food. So when you first join Optavia, there's a pre-packed essential filling, and they give you the most popular one. And I feel like unless you have a gluten allergy or you're vegetarian, just get the assortment because you don't know what you like until you try it, right? And so instead try to figure it out on the website, that's too stressful. Just order the assortment, and then from here, as you eat this, you'll figure out what you like, what you don't like. Okay, so this is the first one I want to show you. This is, I don't know if you see it. It's a red berry Cheerio. Can you believe you can eat Cheerio? Yay! And this is 7 bags in here. Let me show you guys. And they are about 100 calories each bag. So it's very, very healthy. And then this one here, oh, this is my favorite. Oh no, the other flavor is my favorite. This is the Cheddar Italian Herb Cruncher. This is very crunchy. So when you eat this, you feel like it's very satisfied. You feel like something in your mouth, in your stomach. And there's also 100 calories per bag, so it's really good. And then this one here, this is my favorite, honey mustard onion stick. This is also 100 calories. I just have one right now. It really made me feel like I ate a lot of candy or something like that. It's also salty. I like salty stuff. This is really good. This one I have not tried. It's the roast garlic creamy smashed potato. I'll show you here. Okay, so if anyone who loves potato. Did I say tomato? Potato, this is great. I heard people say they really enjoy this. Oh, yes. Chewy chocolate cookie. These are so good. So what's in here is that they actually provide a little container. So you pour this pack in the container with the water, you mix it, you put it in the microwave, and voila, there's your chewy chocolate chip. I love eat chocolate chip at nighttime, and it just very satisfying. A lot, very, very strong chocolate taste, which is fantastic. This is also my favorite too, creamy chocolate shake. So for the first month, I was just they give you this thing, shaker, right? So for the first month, I just pour in here with water, shake it, and then drink it. I thought it was okay, but lately I've been using a blender. Oh, with ice. It's like tastes like a milkshake. It's so yummy. So I definitely recommend you do that. And their shake is so good, so flavorful. It doesn't taste chemical at all. To me, at least for the chocolate one, I really enjoy that. This one is the Chia Bliss smoothie. This is also a shake, obviously blended with ice. So refreshing. It's very like a fruity taste. Also 100 calories. Very good. And this is the home style chicken flavor vegetable soup. Love chicken soup. I love something hot and warm, so this is really fantastic. Very yummy, right? What else they have here? Can you believe they have a pancake? Chocolate pancake. It is really good. The only thing is I wish it's more portioned. But of course, you know, we're eating 6 meals a day, so we have a portion control. It's very important. But this is yummy. Consider for healthy diet food, not bad at all. Not bad. I was impressed. Oh my goodness. I have not tried this, but a lot of people talk about this. It's a tomato herb penne, like penne pasta. So I feel like all the hot food that I tried, they all taste pretty yummy. There's so many in here. My goodness. And this is the creamy double peanut butter cup. Very, very good. And each box comes with 7 pieces and they're 110 calories. It's actually very filling when you eat this though. This is the silky peanut butter chocolate chips. Personally, I like more crunchy stuff than the silky version, but you know, everyone's different flavor profile. That's why we say you try it before you purchase them. I mean, before you purchase a second order. And this is the Caramel Delight Crisps bar. I have not tried this, but I'm sure it's good. Here is Raisin Oat Cinnamon Crisp. Oh, my favorite. I love this. Again, I like cinnamon taste. I like sweetness. I like crunchiness. So I eat this a lot. Very, very yummy. What do we have here? Oh my god. Decadent Chocolate Brownie. Again, it is the one that comes with a little container. You mix the packet in the container, microwave for a minute or 2 to whatever the instruction. It is so good, the chocolate. Very, very yummy. Milkshake Strawberry. I didn't try this yet, but I think it should be pretty good. Let's see what else they have here. Cranberry Honey Nuts Guarana. I like this because it's crunchy. This one is the creamy double chocolate peanut butter crisps. I think we talked about this already. Their peanut butter is so good. Very strong peanut butter taste. This is my absolutely favorite chocolate mint cookie crisps. So I'm on my third box now. I ordered like 3 boxes of this. It's like a candy bar to me. It's so yummy. Here it's chocolate fudge crisps. I have not tried this yet, so maybe it's really good too. Who knows? 2 more boxes. This is the dark chocolate covered cherry shake. I have this before. Very cherry flavor. If you like cherry coke with a little chocolate, this is the one. And this one is a buttermilk cheddar herb biscuit. You can make biscuit. And it also comes with a little container too, so it's fantastic. And then here are the foods. Okay, so I just show you all the food that that come in the box. There's actually a lot more different flavor, different style of food. It doesn't matter which one you pick. They all have the same similar calorie, some same nutrient, vitamin, carbohydrate that you need for your body. And I do found this helping a lot. I mean, as you can see, if you don't believe me, look at my video from last month or 2 months before. I can manipulate the YouTube video because there's no filter, so you can totally see my skin, my face shape changes a lot. So I definitely feel actively I've changed my life so far, and I'll be continue doing this and continue to keep you guys update. If you want to learn more about this, you can look at my link below and then contact me. I can walk you through, and hopefully we can have this journey together. Alright, so thank you so much for your support on my social media. I really appreciate that, and don't forget to follow my YouTube, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.